Customer service tone. So I realized the other day, people would never survive if we spoke to each other in real life the way customer service emails are written. Like imagine breaking up with someone using customer service tone. Dear Samantha, thank you for your continued emotional investment in this relationship. We appreciate the memories we've shared, from Netflix binges to that time you cried at a Chili's. After careful consideration, we regret to inform you that we are unable to continue with this partnership moving forward. This decision was not made lightly. It was made while eating ice cream in the shower, screaming into a loofah. We wish you the best in all future romantic endeavors. Warmest regards, the management, aka me. Like what? That's not a breakup. That's a rejection letter from The Bachelor. And the tone is always weirdly polite, even when they're roasting you. I once emailed my internet provider because my Wi-Fi had been down for 3 days. I was living like it was 1792. I started talking to my plants. I learned to churn butter. I invented a board game called Guess Why I'm Crying. And they respond with, Hi, first name. Thank you for reaching out. We understand how not having internet can be frustrating. Please know that your concern is very important to us, and we are actively working on pretending to fix it. In the meantime, try turning your modem off, then on, then off again, then bury it in a shallow grave under a full moon. Why do they always suggest turning it off and on again like it's an exorcism? Like, yes, try unplugging it and whispering, the power of customer support compels you. And when you get really mad, they hit you with the final insult. If there's anything else we can do, please don't hesitate to reach out. Yeah, I did. That's why I'm here. I'm hesitating right now. I'm hesitating from throwing my router out the window. Honestly, if my therapist spoke like a customer service rep, I'd be in a padded room. Hi, your name. Thank you for sharing your deeply personal trauma. We hear you. We see you. But unfortunately, your healing journey is currently outside our support window. Please try journaling or crying into a bag of Doritos. Warmly, Dr. Susan, who is definitely not a chatbot. So yeah, I've started living my life like a customer service email now. I don't say no anymore. I say, how can I help you? What can I do for you today? Is there anything else I can assist you with? It's a whole new perspective on life. Thank you for the opportunity to disappoint you. And I don't ghost people anymore. I send them, we appreciate your interest, but after further review of your LinkedIn, Instagram, and choice of emoji use, we will not be proceeding. Please feel free to keep refreshing your inbox for updates that will never come. Sincerely, someone who's already blocked you.